Rudolfs nav. Čau, plikais.
Bļā, Ivan Muskuli, tu esi pārāk insane, brāl.
Pagaidi,
Tu esi pārāk insane, brāl, Ivan Muskuli, bļā.
kāpēc?
Izmetam
Nezinu.
paketi.
Tu labi šauji.
Paldies jums.
Klub 44.
Jo, čau.
Fighting a bitch, I bet she here for the moment. She finna get going. She just gon' slide for the slip. I dipped inside of the ocean. It's flowing, I'm rowing, but bitch, I'm sinking this shit. My shit gon' thump in the low, and that's just how I go. And I swear I'll try to dismiss, but I just hit it and hit it like with all my women. But I just simply won't miss them. I do my thing and then wish them luck on wherever life takes them out in their journey. That's when I stop with the flirting. She's so obsessed, it's disturbing. It started worsening. That's when I had to just block it. Maybe right after some knocking, she got a pass for this time. She real hop in my locking. That's when the heat gets to popping. How much longer I gotta drop fire with no one knowing me? It's plenty of you.
Nu, vecīt, tu normāli tur bliezu.
Es?
Jū, jā.
Kā to saprast?
Tu skaisti paņēmājam.
No friends, fuck no, you can't be with us. Can't kick with me, you barely keep it up. They say chill, you get deep, it ain't deep enough. My game strong, she look dead, I done weaken her. Slept with her once, now she bet me.